Today we will be discussing about mitochondria. I will tell you step by step about its parts because it is differentiated in many parts which are contained by our mitochondria. Let's go. Matrix. What is matrix? Matrix is the part which is, you can see, it is a liquid part which is in the center of mitochondria, and it provides mitochondria proteins and other essential material. It is the liquid part, you can say. Now to our next point. Here we can see there is an inner membrane space. Inner membrane space, it is a space along here. It is responsible for the energy production or ATP's production in mitochondria. Now our next point is ribosomes. It was asked in too many times in papers. It comes in two numbers. You can say the define is two numbers, and one is DNA. It is a full form which comes in about one number, or with RNA it can come in two numbers. So we can see here ribosomes. Ribosomes are DNA packets or materials. Ribosomes are essential for our ATP production, but we can say like it is denoted by DNA. So DNA, the full form of DNA is deoxyribose nucleic acid. Now we can see our third point or fourth point. Inner membrane. Inner membrane is a barrier or wall for holding matrix. Like we have matrix, a gelatin material, like I said in my previous point. So it can't be held on a one place without any help or any barrier. So it acts like a barrier. You can see that outer space here. It is this place is an inner membrane part, or this whole structure, the gelatin material holding space is called inner membrane. And we have here one more good or big heading. This is cristae. Cristae is the healing or balance. We can say here are two words, healing and balance. What are healing and balance? In this point, healing comes with when you can see we have many cells which are destroyed every day, every time, and which are regenerated. So healing comes in here in the sense of regeneration. And in balance, like we have many cells, so it can't be balanced in a equal way. So balance, cristae balances, and healing, regeneration, it is responsible for healing and regeneration in mitochondria. So thank you.